Hey guys, just want to give you an update on the Redeye build. It's been over a month, 6 weeks or so. We finally got the Supercharger back, and we've got quite a few goodies that we did to it, so stay tuned and we'll show you the works. Time has come. The time has come. Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that baby go. The inside of that port work. Wow. Throttle body, yep. Here's our 105mm throttle body. Put in for the works. Oh, I'm gonna need that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at how pretty that is. Man, I'm excited. The time has come to show off the Supercharger lid. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. It's like Christmas morning. Look at that. That sure is pretty. Woo-wee. Watch your legs. Alright guys, so you can see that this is the bearing plate port work from Jokerz. It's fucking badass. Get you some. Only cost you 10 grand.